Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to draw Geto Suguru because a subscriber asked me, so let's start. I'm starting with a circle and I'm gonna explain each and everything using the reference photo. And now it may be looking easy to you for drawing and I will try my best to make it easy. So we just need to draw this structure first like I have shown in the reference, and then I will start drawing the actual face. So it's a tutorial and it's gonna be easy, so I request you to watch till the end. It may help the video to get viral, and don't forget to like the video too. And if you are not a subscriber already, then subscribe to my channel if you are watching currently Jujutsu Kaisen, or if you liked my content. It's really a great support to a small artist like me. So I hope you will do that. So I have just started drawing the actual face starting from the hair. Before drawing this picture, I was confused between two references of him. One was the smiling one and one is this one. So I was so confused. Then I put a story on Instagram for voting, and the fun fact is both pictures got 50-50% votes. And I was again confused about it, but then decided to draw this one somehow. I wanted to draw the other smiling one too, but let's just go with it for now. I will draw that one too someday. And the next video is maybe of Mikasa and Eren together, and it may not gonna be a tutorial, it's gonna be just a speed drawing, like the drawing process, and it's gonna be a fan art made by me. I actually came up with the idea of doing that. I hadn't any proper reference and I really worked hard on making Mikasa. I literally drew her for like the 5 times. Okay, after completing the forehead or the hairs, I'm gonna draw the lips because as you can see they are at this end of the circle in the reference too, and after them I will draw the nose. Okay, lips are done and I'm drawing the nose just above it like this. I knew it's gonna be a little difficult because it's not a straight face to the camera, it's a side face. So that's why I'm trying my best to explain and also showing the reference to this time. And now I'm drawing the left eye to the left side of the nose. Maintain the distance between the nose and the face shape, it's equal. Time to draw the right eye, and again you're gonna maintain the distance between the hair and the nose, it's equal. You have to draw the eye just in the middle. Okay, now I'm gonna complete the jawline and the face shape. It's really pointless that I marked the chin even before I started drawing. Like, how did I know? But let me make something clear that this structure is actually not gonna help us to draw Geto, okay? It's just helping us to keep the things in their places. Eyes and eyebrows are equal to each other, nose in the middle, lips in the middle. They are not diverted to some particular side, they are right in the middle because of the center line. This structure just helps us to keep everything in place. The rest we need to draw ourselves by looking into the reference and maintaining the distance between the things. Like we can draw the structure for every person, but every person doesn't have the same shape of eye. So we can draw the structure, but we need to draw the eyes ourselves. So are you understanding what I'm saying? Okay, just below the ear and the chin, draw the neck. And then the uniform. Now it's finally time to complete the hair, so let's do it. Okay, I think it's a little out of shape, so let me set it first. And now it's finally time to draw his man bun. I love this hairstyle, honestly. Our basic sketch is done, and now it's finally time to remove it and do the outline. Here I'm using an 8B pencil to do the outline, and you're gonna be careful, don't mess up, okay? I'm really bad at doing outline. Outline is finally done, and now I'm using a 2B pencil to do the shading. It's darker than the normal HB pencil. Two B's job is done, and now I'm using a 2H pencil, and it's lighter than the normal, and shade in the rest. Beginner tutorial is done, and now I'm going to use this almost 6B graphite and a blending stamp to do shading in the hair and the dress. So for it, just spread it all over and then start blending it with the blending stamp. So now by using this sketching razor pen, I'm just removing some areas in the hairs. And now let's use a 2H pencil to just neaten the hairs. This pencil is gonna help me to do the blending. Like, you know, I did the shading with the blending stamp already. So right now I can't blend it even further with the blending stamp. So I have to use this pencil. And now I'm using this 6B pencil to do some dark shading in the hair and like complete them. And now I have finally this tissue paper and just rub it all over the skin lightly just for some shade. And again a 2H pencil. And finally here I have white paint marker to create the shining dot or outline in the eyes, and we are done now. Do your signature finally and let's go to see the final look. And I hope the video was helpful, and if you are a Geto fan then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if this video was even a little helpful. Bye!